Welcome to my biannual Hunger Games, aka Closet Cleanout, where the victors prevail and the rest move on. But instead of letting them reach the end of life, I give them a second life through resale. Ladies and gentlemen, let the 8th Hunger Games begin. Step 1 is of course a wardrobe switchover, if you haven't done so already. I always procrastinate until the last minute, maybe because I still haven't accepted the fact that summer is over. Okay, you know what? I'll just admit that I'm lazy. These are all my summer clothes. I'm gonna store them away in the other closet. Now the real work begins. Step 2 involves taking out all the remaining clothes and evaluating them one by one. I do this every year because I want to ensure that anything I put back in my closet is something I genuinely love to wear. I treat my closet as a sacred place, and only the victors get to stay. You know what? I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. Good morning. No, I didn't get changed. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna sort it by category to make it less overwhelming. Okay, it's early in the day, my brain can't focus, and therefore my camera can't focus. Our first category is outerwear. Well, I have these two puffers. They saved my life in winter. So yes, my Canada Goose jacket also saves my ass. This coat is absolutely beautiful, but honestly, it's not my style. It makes me look like I have a tiny head. So, unfortunately, I think I have to sell it. This is a sentimental piece. I've had it since I was 15 years old. I wore it to a singing competition. I'm not gonna wear it again, but I'm gonna keep it in the other closet. This is another sentimental piece. I've had it since I was 20 years old. I also wore it to another singing competition, and I'm gonna keep it in the other closet. I've kept this bling bling coat year after year, but I never wear it. I think I'll finally sell it this year. My favorite leather coat, absolutely fucking yes. Another leather coat, also a yes. I have a thing for leather. My favorite long black coat, yes, yes, yes. My faux fur coat, also hell yes. My white faux fur coat, literally my favorite. Okay, this is another one of my favorites. I haven't worn this one as much as I thought I would. I'll give it another chance because it's cute. My blazer, love it, yes. This one, I don't know. Maybe it's a no. I don't think I'll wear it anymore. My favorite trench coat, yes. Another one of my favorite trench coats, yes. I haven't worn this one for a while, but I think I will wear it at some point, so yes. I'm just gonna speed up here because I talk too much. Alright, our next category is dresses. Good thing I only have a few of those for the cold season, so this should be quick. Our first one is this knit dress, black and white. Yes, I'm keeping it. This is part of the same set as my jacket, so yes, I'm keeping it. This is also part of the same set as my red blazer, so yes, I'm keeping it. This is my favorite cashmere dress, so yes. And this is my wool cardigan dress, also yes. And this is another cashmere dress for special events. And that's it. Those are all my dresses. Now the tops. This is gonna be a bitch because I've got way too many sweaters. Alright, what do we have here? My favorite half-zip wool sweater, definite yes. Another half-zip wool sweater in gray, also a yes. Oh look, another half-zip sweater. How many half-zip sweaters do I need? I think I see a little flurries. Anyways, Christmas. This is my Christmas sweater. I know it's black and white, but this is as festive as I could get. I love this cable knit sweater. I also have the matching vest. And the matching pants. I'm keeping them all, of course. My favorite striped sweater? Absolutely yes. I bought this sweater to wear with that beautiful coat with the fluffy collar. You know, the one that makes my head look as small as a chicken? Yeah, I'm gonna be selling this along with the coat. I've got quite a bit of sweatshirts because of the shitty weather, so I kind of need them. I really don't want to wear this, but what can you do? Finally, my basic tops and button-down shirts. I love the details on the sleeve, so yes. My beige linen shirt, yes. Champagne silk shirt, yes. Yes, yes. Okay, I'm thinking of selling this one because it fits a little short on me. Alright, next, the bottoms. I swear it's only 3 o'clock. Anyways, I've got my wool mini skirt here. Don't know how much longer I can wear it in this weather, but I love it, so I'll keep it. I got this skirt for my bank job. I don't know why it's still here. I haven't worn it in years, so I'm gonna sell it. These are my new favorite black pants, so hell yes. My favorite leather pants. I haven't worn these for a year, I think. Another pair of black jeans, my favorite. I swear now all my pants are black. Voila, red pants. My favorite straight leg jeans. And my flare jeans. Yes to both. I don't know if skinny jeans will ever come back in style again, but never say never. Next up, loungewear. This includes sweatsuits, but I already sorted them. Thank you, Gloria. And also thermal underwear and pajamas. Now, sportswear. Who needs to work out when you can just do a closet clean out? It is only 4 p.m. and almost completely pitch dark, so I guess I'll have to see you again tomorrow. Hi. You thought that was it? No, no, no. Next up, shoes. Do I need these crazy boots? Probably not. My witch boots? I think I'll keep them for now. I haven't really worn these white boots, but I love them, so I'll find a chance to wear them. Not when it's snowing though. These black ankle boots are the best investments ever. Of course I'm keeping them. My most comfortable shoes. Yes. I haven't been wearing these, but I love them, so I'll keep them. Ooh, I love these sneakers. I'll find a chance to wear them more. Oh my god, my most worn bad sneakers. I love them. I am going to be selling these, and also these ones. I'll be selling these red shoes, and also the black Oxfords, and also these black loafers. These are my most worn shoes, so I don't think I'll get rid of any of them. Next category, bags. This is a tote bag. It's pretty convenient. My favorite black leather backpack. My mom gave this to me. It's a yes. I just used this bag in one of my videos. I think it's cute, so yes. I haven't used it, but I'll keep it. Oh, I love this white baguette bag. Yes. This used to be my favorite bag to wear. I think I'll keep it for now. This bag is cute, but I don't use it and it's taking a lot of space, so I think I'm gonna sell this one. Yup, there are more bags. I use all these bags pretty often, so I don't think there's, anything I wanna get rid of. We're almost done here. Now, accessories. Let's see what we've got here. My favorite, also my favorite. This hat is crazy, but it's my costume hat. So yes. Ooh, I forgot about this hat. I used to love wearing it. I'm keeping it. I also love this hat. I should wear it more. Oh my god. Isn't this my favorite? Got this one in Paris. Yes. I think I got this hat one time and I dropped it in water and ruined it, and I bought the exact same one. So yeah, I gotta keep it. Oh, this is also a costume hat. I love it. And also this one, this is also a costume hat. Okay, I'm not getting rid of any of the hats. More hats. Please ignore this pile of mess. I will deal with it another day. Alright, we got my favorite wool beanies. I don't know why I need this many berets, but I have trouble getting rid of hats. And this hat, I've been keeping it for a long time. I've been waiting for it to come back in style. And oh my god, this faux fur hat is so old. But isn't it cute? Now the rest are just 3 scarves, a neck warmer for skiing, 4 pairs of gloves. I'm in Canada, I need these things. It's time to announce the survivors. All my coats and jackets are right here in the middle. Canada is so damn cold, so I need them for survival. My 3 dresses are tucked away in the corner. The other 3 are neatly folded on the top shelf. And yes, this is my sweater collection. I know it's a lot. I literally cannot survive here without them. On the left side, I have my basic tops, button-down shirts, and sweatshirts. And on the right side, I have my skirts, pants, and sweatpants. On the top shelf, I've got my sports bra, leggings, workout shirts, and jackets. And on this side, I've got my pajamas, thermal underwear, and winter accessories. These are the hats I couldn't let go of. Below that are my most used bags. And over here in the hallway closet, I've got my other bags. These are all my shoes. They're not separated by season. Everything is just kind of here. Now what's gonna go? It may not seem like I got rid of much in the first part. Well, that's because I did an extreme closet cleanout last year, and these are the things I still need to sell. These are all the coats and jackets I'm selling, or haven't sold. And over here, I've got some tops and sweaters I need to list and sell. Down here are all the bottoms I gotta sell, and some summer stuff. Up here on the top shelf, I've got lots of bags waiting to be listed. I just still haven't done it yet. And I've also got a full bag of shoes that I need to list. I think I've earned my right to be a couch potato now.